In this Leader Feeder, we'll look at how to motivate your employees. Most leaders think that employees are only motivated by one thing: money, their paycheck. And we can probably all agree that earning money is important in terms of paying bills and living the desired lifestyle. As a frontline leader, if we think that employees are only motivated by money, we'll fail to recognize that there are a number of other factors that contribute to their motivation. Think back to when you've been most motivated in your job. Chances are some of the factors included being challenged, learning something new, and having a great team and a great leader. Let's look at 3 tips for creating a more motivating environment for your team. Tip number 1, create a positive environment. You as the leader set the tone for your group, so be more positive in your approach. Smile more, acknowledge the team's successes and the individual contributions of your team members. Avoid focusing too much of your time and attention on the negatives and focus on what is going right instead. Tip number 2, involve employees. Ask employees for input in terms of changes, improvements, problem solving, and decision making. You'll find that when your team feels that they've had a say, they're going to be more committed to helping the department perform. Instead of providing all the answers, see your role as the leader to ask good questions and help the team take ownership and responsibility over the work. Tip number 3, provide challenge. As the leader, you can challenge your team by cross-training, setting ambitious goals, and by presenting problems for the team to solve. Avoid making the challenge so difficult that it ends up demotivating. You want the team to see the challenge as achievable with some effort and focus. Be sure to offer positive reinforcement when the team succeeds and then provide the next challenge. Motivating your team beyond the paycheck is about tapping into their need for respect, appreciation, growth, and belonging. Your job as the leader becomes much easier when your team is motivated to perform. Many leading companies bring us in to do on-site training or purchase our materials to help their supervisors get better. And you can join with other like-minded supervisors, managers, and team leaders on our Facebook community at Frontline Leadership.